Hello Internet, Helmet Head here again. So today's video I want to talk about your windscreens on your bikes. Now on my Tiger for example, I get a lot of wind noise over sort of 50 miles per hour. What's really annoying, isn't it? Because it gets up there, it sort of gets into your ears, and you try and put earplugs in, etc, etc. So you kind of think about replacing it, and then you sort of think about replacing the whole screen. Now that's sort of like £200-ish, and if not more, and obviously looking at things like Givey and Pug and what one's the best and so on and so on. But if you haven't got that kind of money, you're kind of looking at maybe putting a screen extender on, and they can start from about £60 to £80 for sort of a known brand as well. But I kind of done this little cheeky thing of going to eBay and buying a screen from China. Now this cost me under £13. If it's going to be any good, will be interesting. But this box has just arrived this morning. So let's have a quick look what we get inside the box. So you've got obviously a bag of bits and pieces, and that's the screen itself. And it looks pretty good. So far so good. You've got a little bit of a rubber mount obviously to try and protect it. That's obviously the bracket itself just there. Let's have a quick look at that. So that's the bracket. You have a quick closer look. That obviously then clips in, bolts onto the screen itself. There's your second rubber mount. A couple of little bits of aluminium or metal in there. Another part of the bracket as well. Now, interestingly, there is absolutely no instructions on how to fit this that come in the box. So it's a figure it out as you go job. That's obviously for the adjuster. So that's pretty much what you get in the box. Obviously, there's the two little bits of aluminium as well. But yeah, this looks interesting about instructions. So should we fit it? Cue the music. So we've now fitted the screen extension, and I did a live video recording. That was just filmed while I was going. I obviously had the GoPro going as well, so I can put that all together in a bit. But so the screen's on now. It took, I believe, about 16 minutes, but I'd suggest probably taking about 20. It wasn't difficult to fit, just fiddly as they always are. So this is at 60 miles an hour, so I'm still getting a bit of wind, but I'd actually say nowhere near as much. So far so good. Obviously it's a test of my workmanship. Who says it's going to stay on? It could go flying off and whack me in the face, but you know, let's stay positive. I can do this. Let's just try and get past this Volkswagen, and then we'll try it at you know, on more of an open stretch. Here we go. So on overtaking, I mean, there's still a bit of wind there, but you're not going to completely get rid of it. But I'd actually say that's a massive improvement. So yeah, put it all together, it's got to be a thumbs up. £13, people, just under actually, just under £13 compared to spending, what, £200? I mean, the screen may be even better, but is it that much better that you'd want to spend that amount of money? I'd probably say not. It took, how long did it take to arrive from China? Now, this is from China to the UK. I probably ordered this, I'd probably say 4 weeks ago, if I think about it. I'd probably say 4 weeks. So, you know, you've just always got to consider that whenever you're ordering anything from China. It's obviously it's going to take a bit longer. But yeah, it works. Happy days, thumbs up. So that's that's definitely a pass. And if you could do me the big favour of, if you haven't already, subscribe, thumbs up. And another little tip, if you hit the little bell, you get notifications next time the video comes up. Anyway, that's Helmet Head. Thank you very much, and goodbye.